Dear students, our next topic is present perfect continuous. Let's write its a pattern first. Formation, has, have. This time been. We will use been here. And a little changes, we will use ing with verb because it is continuous, that's why we will use ing. Okay, first now we will look at its pattern for writing in different sentence type. If you are writing in affirmative, then you will use I have been eating, and in negative I have not been eating. Then in interrogative, same, the have or WH word will come at the beginning of the sentence. Have I been eating? And in negative interrogative, have I not been eating? I hope the use of has and have is clear to you. When and why we use has and when and why we use have. Now we will discuss when and why, in which condition we use present perfect continuous. Okay, first condition is to express an action which began at some time in past and it is still going on. Began at some time in past and it is not finished, it is still going on at the moment of speaking. Like for example, he has been working as a teacher. Here we can use a point of time since 2015. This sentence is giving us the information that that person is still working as a teacher. That person started working as a teacher from 2015. So we use present perfect continuous when we are talking about an action which is done, which just started from the past, and still going on. Still that work is going on. Another example, he has been driving a taxi for 2 years. Okay, we can use for and since accordingly. When and why we use for and since, let's discuss that also, which is also given in your book. We use for when we are indicating about the time, up to now, सेंटेंस जब बोला जाएगा तब तक के टाइम को आप उसमें रेफर कर सकते हो. लाइक अभी जैसे सेंटेंस था दैट ही हैज़ बीन ड्राइविंग अ टैक्सी फॉर 2 years, means it been 2 years for him for riding a taxi. So for we use when we are indicating a time up to now, अब तक जब जैसे हम बात कर रहे हो. And since, we use since when we are giving reference to point of time, means when we are just giving a time reference, that time is past, उसका अब present के साथ कोई link नहीं है. Like since 2015, since morning. Let's make sentence so that you can understand this easily. Sorry. I'm feeling tired since morning. You can use this since in every type of sentences according to your preferences. That action which is done in the past but its effect is still there. Same like present perfect, done in past, which is completed in past but its effect is still can be seen. Like there is an example, the girl is sick because she has been playing with water. So this sentence indicates that this girl is sick. The reason for her sickness is that she was playing with water or she was playing in rain. So we can also use the present perfect continuous when the action is done in past and its effect is still there at the moment of speaking.